Good morning, ma'am. I'm going to present about the crop logging standards for major in Calamondin. This is presented by Balcorza Markinet G from BSE Trail. So, what is Calamondin? Calamondin is a citrus fruit with a tart sour juice that tastes similar to lemon but with a tangerine sweetness. They are most commonly consumed when they are half ripe, when the skin is still yellow and the flavor is much stronger and sour. So, calamandin is also known as calamansi. So, the calamandin is Citrus Citropurnilia mitis. Tree develops acidic fruit base used in sauces, drinks, and seafood dishes. Although it may be grown as a standard size citrus tree, dwarf rootstock limit the calamondin's height to a maximum of 12 feet tall, and harvesting the citrus fruit at the right time consider the fruit appearance and length of time. Other branches. Once you harvest the ripe fruits, it is the best to refrigerate them unless you are using them within 1 week. Calamandins typically do not survive well up off the tree for a long period of time. How do you care for calamandin? Water the tree as needed to keep the soil moist but not wet. Allow the top ends of soil to dry out before watering, and provide direct sunlight for at least several hours daily. Move the plants outdoor for a few hours daily in the spring, increasing the times outdoors until the tree can stay outdoors for the summer. And also, is it safe to drink pure calamansi juice every day when taken regularly? Calamansi juice keeps the kidney healthy. It reduces ball or urine odor and lightens its color. Also, purifies the organs and detoxifies the colon. It improves bowel movements and relieves constipation. So, physical log. How big does the calamondin tree get? So, calamondin trees are tiny bushy evergreens that can grow to be 10 to 20 feet tall or 3 to 6 meter. So, physical log is the process of storing the pages that will be modified by the database server before they are actually written on disk. So, the unaltered pages are available in case the database server crashes or if the backup method necessitates a precise snapshot of the database server data. So, Calamondin, the edible fruit is small and orange with a diameter of around 1 inch and a tangerine-like appearance. Enlarge the image in a new window by clicking on it. The feel is smooth and thin, golden to yellow-orange in color, and readily separated. So, how big do calamondin limes get? Calamondin 2 to 5 centimeters. Calamondin limes are small fruits, averaging 2 to 5 centimeter in diameter, and are globular to oblate in shape. So, plant height is 10 to 20 feet. Calamondin trees are small bushy evergreens that can grow to be 10 to 20 feet or 3 to 6 meters tall, but they are usually considerable shorter. So, the plant width of calamondin has a plant weight of 500 grams. So, how long does it takes for a calamondin tree to grow? So, uh, the product details shown. So, mature height, um, 8, 8 feet prone. Uh, Growth rate is moderate. The harvest time is August to October. Year to beer can fruit the first year. Botanical name is Citrus mitis. So, what is the best fertilizer for Calamondin? During the growing season, fertilizer Calamondin orange with a citrus primula or a slow-release acid-loving plant primula. So during the winter months, dilute the fertilizer to half its original strength before bringing the tree it for the fall. Inspect the foliage on a regular basis. Calamondin that is ready to harvest has a firm texture that is smooth across the entire skin surface. This hardness suggests that there is enough moisture and juice in the product. A ripe calamondin should easily snap from the tree's branch if gently pulled. The calamondin orange is a small shrub with shiny green, leathery leaves that is near relative of the real orange, which may also be cultivated inside, and it produces a fragrant white blossom as well as little 1-inch orange, which are often produced at the same time. The fruit are edible, but they are so bitter that they are exclusively used in marmalade. So the shape of calamondin leaf, um, medium bigger tree that is extremely productive, eric and columnar, and practically turnless with small, broadly oval, mandarin-like leaves. So, is calamansi same as calamondin? Calamansi is the Filipino English spelling of Tagalog calamansi, and it is by this name that it is most known in the Philippines. Calamansi is also known as calamondin in areas of the United States, particularly in Florida, an old term from the Philippines American period. So, in chemical log, so based on the monitoring of changes in the chemical composition of the drilling fluid during drilling operations, chemical logging creates chemical profile of the formation fluid within a well. So the components of calamondin, in addition, using ultrafast liquid chromatography or hydrocyanamic link to a photodiode array detector for common hydrocyanamic acid or sulfate, cumaric, pyrulic, and snapic acids were identified in methanolic extract of calamansi peel. Calamansi peel from Philippines has the greatest total phenolic acid content. So, Calamondin citrus mediterraneansis is an acid fruit that is most commonly grown in the Philippines island, although it is probably of Chinese origin. It is believed to be a natural hybrid with kumquat in the parentage. In the Philippines, it is sometimes called calamondin or calamansi. So, calamondin exhibited the highest antibacterial synergism. So, if you eat the fruit of calamondin, choose yellow to yellow orange fruit if you wish to eat it. Soft and overripe fruit should be avoided. It can take up to a year for the calamondin fruit to develop into an orange tint. However, the orange colored fruit can get overripe and lose its flavor. So, acid is present in calamondin. So, calamansi or Cornelia japonica juice, which is very acidic, pH 2.4 in Lee 2000, and contains a significant amount of citric acid, 5.52% in Morton 2013, is utilized as acidifying agent and antioxidant in this study to lower the pH and prevent phenolic component acidation in sugarcane. So calamondin juice is characterized by its high acidity, as reflected by the high citric acid content. So it is usually fruit flavored, made from fruit juice, water, and sugar or sugar substitute. So purpose of calamondin. So calamansi juice has been used as an immune booster for millennia since it is high in vitamin C and other helpful elements. Um, Despite its high citric acid content, many people drink it as a stomach soothing beverage. Calamansi juice is a good option for people who want to lose weight. So the juice of the calamondin can be used like lemon or lime to make a refreshing beverage, to flavor fish, to make cakes, marmalade, pies, preserves, sauce, and to use its soap and teas. The juice can be frozen in container or in ice cube trays. In storing the frozen cubes in a plastic freezer bags, or use a few cubes at the time to make a calamondinade. The juice is primarily valued for making acid beverage. It is often employed like lime or lemon juice to make gelatin salad or desserts, custard pie or chiffon pie. In the Philippines, the extracted juice with the addition of gum tragacanth as an emulsifier is pasteurized and bottled commercially. This product must be stored at low temperature to keep well. The juice of calamondin also makes an excellent hair conditioner. For 1 liter of boiling water over thinly sliced fruit. Um, when water is cold, pour through the hair as final sense. Fruit juice is used in the Philippines to bleach ink stain from fabrics. It also serves as a body deodorant. Rubbing calamondin juice on insect bites banishes the itching and irritation. It bleaches wrinkles and helps to clear up acne, vulgaris, and pruritus vulvae. It is taken early as a cough remedy and anti-phlogistic. Slightly diluted and drum warm, it serves as a laxative combined with pepper. It is prescribed in Malaya to expel plagium. The root enters into a treatment given at childbirth. The distilled oil of the leaves serve as a carminative with more potency than peppermint oil. So, calamandi as flavonoids. The low GI could also be due to the content of the calamansi drink. Tasted as calamansi fruit skin is rich in flavonoids. So the total flavonoid content was measured by a colorimetric assay. 100 microliters of extract was added to 4 ml of distilled water, then 0.3 ml 5% sodium nitrate was added. After 5 minutes, 0.3 ml of 10% uh, aluminum chloride was added. It is okay to drink Calamondin juice in the morning, packed with vitamin C and other beneficial nutrients. Calamansi juice has been used as immune booster for generations. Many people drink a glass of calamansi juice every morning to stimulate the body and achieve weight loss goals. So the major classes of flavonoids include flavonols, flavones, flavonols, isoflavonols, and anthocyanidins. So flavonoids, a group of natural substances with variable phytolic structures, are found in fruits, vegetables, grains, barks, roots, stems, flowers, tea, and wine. These natural products are well known for their beneficial effects on health, and efforts are being made to isolate the ingredients so-called flavonoids. So critical nutrients labels at a varying stage of growth. So one calamondin comprises roughly 12 calories and a trace of fat, um, according to the University of Florida. So Sarasota Country Extension Program, one fruit has about 1.2 grams of fiber, 37 milligrams of potassium, 7.3 milligrams of vitamin C, 57.4 milligrams of vitamin A, 8.4 milligrams of calcium, 15.5 milligrams of water, and 3.1 milligrams of carbs. So that the nutrient concentration in the plant below which a yield response to added nutrients occur. Um, Critical levels or ranges vary among plants and nutrients but occur somewhere in the transition between nutrient deficiency and sufficiency. So, primary macronutrients, nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth, development, and reproduction, and is a part of every living cell. Nitrogen is vital because it is an important component of um, chlorophyll. So, the plant is said to have originated from China or Philippines and has spread out through Southeast Asia, India, Hawaii, West Indies, Central and North America, where was acquired that name acid orange. As it resembles as an orange, the plant is believed to be natural hybrid between a sour. Some of popular common names of plant are Calamandarin, Calamansi, Calamondin orange, China orange, Chinese orange, golden lime, musk lime, Philippine lime, Panama orange, scarlet lime, limau, whatsoever. Genus citrus refers to the lemon scented fragrance from the plant species. Microcarpa means small fruit. The plant is particularly valued for its acidic juice, and it's also grown as an ornamental. This fruit is available throughout the year in the Philippines. This is mostly found in an unripened green state. The plant had artistic value when planted, as it is planted as a hedge or pasture plant more than because of the edible fruit. So that's all. Thank you.